Guys, I am Sugandh from DK Textile presenting you this heavy range Jaipuri kurtis at only 150 rupees. So this is totally a Jaipuri based fabric available in 150 plus designs. Look at these prints. These are heavy prints. Look at these prints. Okay, so this is gota patti lace and wooden buttons available in this. Look at the stitches. This is premium stitches and look at the frame. Okay, so in regular market you get the frame like in shorter size, but in DK Textile you can get this in original Firma. This is in 40-60 fabric, available in 42 length, so this is not a regular size length. In DK Textile you can get this length in bigger size. Okay, look at the colors and designs. So look at the pieces. Look at this. This is premium blue color, not royal blue. Okay, so look at the designs. Available in 4 sizes, M to XXL, also available in bigger sizes like 3, 4, 5 XL. Okay, so whenever you visit Surat market, you have seen lot of brokers try to manipulate you and let you to the places where the prices are too much higher. So if you want to purchase in lower prices, then contact DK Textile. In DK Textile you can get the prices at a very lower range, and also the varieties are available with more than 500 plus designs. If you want to purchase in different varieties starting from rupees 80 only, you can get kurti starting from 80, short top starting from 100 and pair kurti starting from 150, 3 pieces starting from rupees 200 only. If you want to purchase all this, number given in the screen, contact DK Textile. We have large range of varieties in all the things like embroidery work, patola work, bandhani work, available in different fabrics also, cotton, Jaipuri cotton, modal work, kurtis, Lucknowi, short tops. In Surat market you can't get a proper prices, but in DK Textile you will purchase this with a heavy discounted price at 150 rupees only. Look at the things. These are not normal designs, these are premium range designs, specially designs for gota patti lace with a wooden button here. Okay, look at the pair. Like this is the bottom variety and this is the top variety, which is perfectly sync with each other. Not not it is in the unwanted combo, but this is available in the greater deal. So this is available in a very good size Firma. Okay, or size we can say that. Look at this. This is our XXL size, and the size, look at this. In regular market you can get this size in 4 to 8 XL, but in DK Textile you can get this size in XXL only. Okay, if you want to purchase bigger sizes than XXL, then we also have this same kind of varieties in 3 to 6 XL also. Okay, for this kindly contact DK Textile, number given in the screen. Whenever you come in Surat market, if you want to reach DK Textile, then our person will go and contact you. If we will take you from the station to DK Textile, it is not a very far place. This is nearly about 5 to 10 minute places. Our driver will come and it will take you to the DK Textile, where you can get kurti starting from rupees 90 only, short top variety starting from rupees 80, and 2-piece variety starting from 150, and 3-piece pair variety starting from 300 and 200 only. And we have seen that many of our not our customer, but customers complains that the bottom Firma is very lower in sizes. But look at this size. This is not a regular size. This is very big in size. Okay, and also come with Miani or the extra additional cloth which is necessary to make it wear too much stronger whenever the person who wear this sit or do any kind of activities. Look at the rubber. This is not a rubber, normal rubber. This is an elastic of premium quality. Okay, so want to purchase this kind of premium varieties at very low prices, contact DK Textile, number given in the screen.